Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we have a special guest. We got Jess.
Hi.
So we're gonna be doing something exciting today. We're gonna be opening the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. So Jess ordered the medium box, the $60 box, and then I got the smaller box for $20. Now before we start, I just wanna talk about, you guys probably have seen it, all of the smaller boxes, we got a refund on it. It was because there was an issue with, well, the stickers, but there was an issue with
the flyer, because they wrote it was a limited cosmetic item on the first flyer, but the stickers aren't exactly cosmetic.
Yeah. So they ended up, Jeffree Star, he ended up, and like his team, they refunded everyone the $20 box. You still got the box, but they refunded it. So the thing I'm gonna open, the box I'm gonna open, it was free. So that's kind of nice. Okay, so
but I still paid for my box.
But she has a good box. I'm so excited for Jess to open her box.
Yeah, we haven't opened anything yet. Okay, here's my daughter Ayla. She's our assistant.
Ayla wants to say hi.
Can you bring us? I also got the new highlighter too, so I'm excited to see.
Oh, very nice. So that's the, oh, it's the little picture of them. That's really cool.
Paper.
I want it.
You want it, Ayla?
So I'm guessing this one is the highlighter. We'll put that aside.
This is mine.
Oh,
My little box. Here's my mini box. So this is the $20 box.
Okay, honey.
And there's your big one, the medium box.
I'm gonna open it.
My small one.
Okay.
There you go. Let's open the small one.
Okay. I'm gonna take that.
Okay, let's open it. Yeah. See what's in it.
I was shocked that I was actually able to even get any of the boxes because I feel like they sold out really fast.
Oh!
Is that one of the lip scrubs?
Yeah,
you wanted to try one of the.
Okay, so the first thing, this is, it looks like it's one of the, oh, that's right. I think it's, oh yeah, okay, so it's one of the velour liquid lipsticks. And what's the color? The color is 818.
That must be, I've never seen that one before.
I've never
so
seen,
is that,
oh, that's really pretty. So it's like a light, a light pink. That smells really good.
Oh, it actually does smell like chocolate.
Stickers are cute.
I get it though, because I don't know what a lot of people that are ordering the boxes, I don't like, what would you do with the stickers? Like,
yeah, that's true. One of his like designers who the conspiracy palette, like hand drew these.
Yeah, they are
like,
cute.
It is cool once he said that, like it's not just random stickers.
They would be cool for you, like if you're doing, you know how you do all the, but what I was thinking though, if they were temporary tattoos,
that'd be cool.
That probably would have been better, I think.
I think so too.
Because then, you know, you could use them as body art or, you know, whatever, stick them on your face for something. Because some of them are, like, I really like this teacup one.
Me
that
too.
One's really, with the
3 items then. So you get 2 items, a lipstick, a lip scrub, and then this was the exclusive item. So I think that's, do you think that's worth $20?
Well, yeah, just these alone are worth $20 because the velour liquid lipsticks I feel like are like 18 usually or something. Yeah, they're around 20 just for that. Yeah. And then these I think are like 12 or 14 around US dollars I'm talking about. Yeah. So for both, I think that's worth it. Yeah. And I really like his lip scrubs. I have tried, like I've used the Lush ones and those are the only 2 that I've tried, and I do really like his lip scrubs. Like I have the pineapple one right now, and it's really good. So
yeah, it smells really good.
You'll have to let me.
Got stickers too.
Oh, I got the stickers too.
Woo! So another set of stickers.
There you go, Ayla. This is a liquid frost highlighter.
Nice. And it's called Michigan Ice.
Oh, Michigan Ice. We
Can
live
I see too?
close to Michigan, so it's like
That's pretty.
looks like a kind of a bluish
Let's keep
color.
it out of the box.
It's better when it's a smaller amount.
Yeah, when you rub it in, because then it's just kind of a like.
Well, look at mine.
Yeah.
Do you like
I don't
mine?
know if mine will show up because I did. Oh, you can see it's like kind of a bluish.
Yeah, you can
like
see.
Urkel velour liquid lipstick.
Nice.
Wait, show them the top.
Okay, thanks. It look the same on the camera.
No, it doesn't.
It's more of like it looks more like
Lighter.
a bluey purple on the camera.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Nice. I like kind of like a candy apple red, and it's got like
Yes,
Yeah.
it has
the candy
shimmer
apple
in it,
red. Okay.
isn't it? The last.
The last one.
Is this what I think it is?
Yeah.
Is this blue blood?
Well, wait till you open it.
Oh my goodness.
I already watched reviews, so I know.
What is?
What did you get? Oh yeah!
It's the.
Isn't that
Oh,
so cool?
seriously?
It's so exciting.
This is really nice.
That's
Wait,
really nice.
Mommy,
I don't. I don't like the name. I'll show you the name of it, but I'm not saying it out loud. I get it though, like glit
show
is
this.
short for glitter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, that feels
So it feels kind of scratchy, doesn't it?
does feel. Yeah, it does feel
It
scratchy.
feels. Oh my goodness,
Whoa.
that's like. Okay, yeah, on your face it looks different than on your hands.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it.
Thank you for having me.
Oh yeah, no problem.
This is my first time
Yeah, this
being
is
in
her
a video.
first time. Jess also has a nail account.
Just an Instagram.
Yeah, well,
account.
still, it's still cool that you posted. So I'll put her little
thank
tag
you.
there. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. YouTube channel.
Yeah, she needs her own video.
She won't stop talking the whole time.
So you gotta hold your box
special
up.
picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good. Yep, we'll get it.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, that was.
Wait, 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 wait.
I